Hey, this is Michael with Explorers R Us. Before I get started, this background shot, which I have for you so you can see it first, is in Langley, Washington. It was early one morning as I was staying at the Langley Hotel, and they happened to have some water behind them. Perfect shot, perfect morning. And so I just want to share that one with you. I love that shot. Anyway, today I did two videos. I'm going to actually put both of them after this. I'd want your opinion, as I'm not sure the best route to go. The first video is going to be just standard video and talking because I like to narrate as I go so that you guys, if I see something, I can turn the camera and take a look. And the second one is at TimeWarp speed 5x. And I'm not sure I want to do that because I kind of like the fact that I can talk while I'm walking, or hiking is what I want to start next week. So give me your thoughts on both of these and which one you think I should apply as going forward, because I've got some major hikes I want to do: Rattlesnake Ledge, Mailbox Peak, Big Sigh, Little Sigh. There's a lot of different hikes out here. Rachel Lake is an amazing one as well. And I've documented them with photos, and I want to start doing it with video. Anyway, take a look, put your thoughts in the comments.
Hey, this is Michael with Explorers R Us. Today, I'm syncing up my GoPro 13 with my AirPods Pro 2, I believe. Um, want to see how it sounds. I want to see the wind noise. As you may or may not know, I happen to be in the Pacific Northwest and I love to hike, and I want to start documenting the trails that are out there. So this is just a test. This is test number 2. I just did it in HyperWarp, I think it's what it's called, at 5 speed. But I don't think it picked up the sound. So I kind of want to see if this picks up the sound, because I like to narrate as I walk, to turn to show people different things that I find as I'm going on my walks. And so this is just nothing but a test number 2 for today, just to see how it sounds and whether this is feasible to go this route, or whether I just go with the camera microphone and all the sounds associated with that. Not sure, but I'm on chest mount, as just to let you know. If you have some suggestions, please put them in the comments, because I like to start documenting the trails of the Pacific Northwest sometime next week. And I'll start with an easy hike that I can document, because there's lots going on and I want to be able to think about what I'm doing. Anyway, this is Michael with Explorers R Us, signing off.